What's up guys, today we're going to be doing a full-on Repl.it.com tutorial, and this is going to be a full tutorial where you can, we're going to be doing hosting, we're going to be doing connecting to Roblox, and we're going to be 24/7. So this is a lot more better than Glitch I've heard, and a lot better than Heroku, so let's get started. First of all, when we log in and we've made an account, we need to click on New Repl, and then we click on Node.js, and then we can just make a name. So it's going to be called testing name 63345. That'll do. And then because we aren't paying, it has to be a public, but it's fine. Then we create. Also, in the description and in the video, there's going to be timestamps for each part in case you don't need to watch all of this. So we have our index.js file automatically created, and then we need to bring up Visual Studio Code. So we can literally just press Control A, Control C, write index.js, and paste it into here. Then we create a new file. This can be package.json, and if it automatically doesn't go into a packager file section, we need to make sure it's spelled correctly. Then we can go to package.json, we can copy this and delete this. I'm just going to delete this line, you don't need to worry about that. And then I can go back over to here. Next we're going to start on our other JSON. So first of all, token.json, and this is going to be censored. Actually, no, I don't really care if you get access to this account. Anyway, so next it's config.json. Again, this is going to be regened. So it's all good. And next we need to create a folder. So this is going to be commands. And we're just going to do our commands. So hello.js. And when we click on our folder, we can add a file, hello.js, and we can also add a shift.js or a host.js or whatever you want to call the file. This is our shift one, and that'll be all good. So next we need to, first of all, this is our REPL, and we need to close all this. I might have missed something, I don't think I have, but if I will, we'll find out in a moment. So first of all we need to run, and it's just going to install our packages, and we'll just let that do this. And while we're doing this, we're going to go over to a website called UptimerBot. Is it UptimerBot? And we're going to register for free. I'm just going to quickly register. I'll be back in one moment. Okay, so now that we have done this, we can actually go back over to here, and we will see our app has started and it has loaded up this. So if we look into our index.js code and we scroll down, we will see when it's literally just our left slash, it's going to be hello everyone, and we've also logged in here. So now I can just copy this, which is our new link, and then if we go into Roblox, and then where we have our link in our string, we just replace it with this, and then we change so it's going to be this, but it's going to be /shift. Oh, we're not linking the domain, so it will be, hang on, this /shift, and then we'll just copy that into Roblox. Or actually, I can't remember what it is. I don't know if we already embed it there, but just replace it with what it is, with the shift if it needs it. Then we need to add a new monitor, and then we click on ping. Friendly name, this is just going to be our testing. I'm gonna increase it, yeah, keep it at 5, and then just paste in Okay, I do not actually know how to use UpTimerBot, just so you know in advance. I'm just working out as we go along. But okay, so if I'm pinging, I can do a HTTPS. Yeah, that's it. And it's just gonna invalid character. Oh, hang on. Ah, hang on, that's the issue. Right, okay. So I literally just need to get this part. I don't need the HTTPS, and it'll automatically fill in HTTPS. And this is just going to be test, or we can call it like whatever you want, and create monitor. And cool. So every 5 minutes it's going to ping us, and it's going to keep this up 24/7. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed this. This is a one-stop tutorial. Okay, I hope to see you guys later.